Struggling with hearing loss and tinnitus can be frustrating and isolating. If you're looking for a natural solution, Sonuvita might be the answer. This blog post will provide an in-depth look at Sonuvita, including its benefits, features, pricing, and more, to help you make an informed decision about this innovative product. Sonuvita is a natural supplement designed to assist individuals who suffer from hearing loss and tinnitus. This product comprises carefully selected natural ingredients known for their anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and neuroprotective properties. By targeting the root causes of hearing problems, Sonuvita aims to restore hearing and improve overall ear health. Sonuvita's unique blend of ingredients works together to fight inflammation that affects the nerves that control hearing, help hair cells grow back in the inner ear, and boost immune function to keep users safe from infections and inflammation that can worsen hearing loss and tinnitus. By addressing the underlying issues, Sonuvita not only restores hearing, but also enhances the overall quality of life. What sets Sonuvita apart is its comprehensive approach to ear health. It tackles multiple aspects of hearing health, providing users with a multifaceted solution to improve hearing and reduce tinnitus symptoms. Scientific and clinical studies back Sonuvita, making it a highly credible option for enhancing ear health and combating hearing issues. Sonuvita takes a multifaceted approach to get to the root causes of hearing loss and tinnitus, to restore hearing function and effectively relieve symptoms. Here's a detailed explanation of how Sonuvita works. Targeting inflammation and nerve health. One of the main ways Sonuvita works is by targeting inflammation that affects the nerves that control hearing. Damage to nerves can happen over time because of chronic inflammation, which can worsen hearing loss and tinnitus symptoms. Sonuvita's unique mix of natural ingredients has strong anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce this inflammation, supporting nerve health and improving general hearing function. Supporting inner ear tissue repair and regeneration. The ingredients in Sonuvita were carefully chosen because they help the inner ear's hair cells grow back, which are very important for hearing. These hair cells can get damaged or die for many reasons, such as getting older, being around loud noises, or getting ill. Sonuvita aims to keep these cells healthy and repair them so that they can better pick up sounds and improve general hearing. Enhancing immune function and overall ear health. A robust immune system is essential for keeping your whole body healthy, including your ears. Sonuvita's ingredients were carefully chosen to boost the immune system. This helps the body's natural defenses fight infections and inflammation that can hurt hearing and worsen tinnitus. By enhancing immune function, Sonuvita improves overall ear health, reducing the risk of ear infections and other issues that can exacerbate hearing problems.